subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo launched its new V-series phone in Mexico called Vivo V30 Lite. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V30 Lite features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus E4 AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1150 nits of peak brightness support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Vivo V30 Lite sports a triple camera setup under rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4,800 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on FunTouch OS 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with a large VC heat dissipation system to keeps the device cool in extreme conditions, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.4 by 74.9 by 7.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V30 Lite has been priced in Mexico at 8,999 Mexican pesos, and it is now available for purchase in the country in rose gold and black forest color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V30 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.